Deputy PHE Marcuise N Marak haka arpu tarik Naiwieng ryngkat ki ophisar sorkar ula hiar Mawkyrwat South West Khasi Hills District ban Jurip katto katne ki Jingtrei Sbm Jjm Jjm Skhim bat yaka Swachh Bharat Mission Sbm Jjm. Myntri leit peit nyngkong yaka jaka pynlang Mawten bynta ka Greater Mawkyrwat Water Supply Scheme kaba lap yaki Jingtrei kidang iaid shakman. Kumjo hanonglang leit peit yaki katto katne kilong yeng ki ba lap bako umdi kelapoi hadu ki yeng brio. Hawa sala leit peit yaka check dam ne ka telong bantan bynta ka Greater Mawkyrwat Water Supply Scheme ka Jingtrei kadang iaid shakman. Hadian ke jinglet Jurip ladon ru ke jingyalang ha circuit house lait lausang ha pedengki ophisar sorkar ki bakan thup ya Deputy Commissioner Bah B.Mawlong ki Executive Engineer PHE na leit District South West Khasi Hills, West Khas Hills but Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Hakani ka sngi ladon lang uba Gabriel Walang MLA Noston ka kong Adeline Nikla Mission Director kong BM Lendem Chief Engineer PHE Usaid MDA Razi Principal Secretary PHE bat ki ophisar na ki leit ki district.
Ready.
Youth PHE department with regard to Jal Jivan Mission and Sbm Jjm here in the three districts, Eastern West Khasi Hills, South West Khasi Hills and then West Khas Hills. So far in my review, I found the works are going on in full swing and most of the projects are getting completed, I mean. And then functionality of the projects are here very good. And very good thing is that we get less complaints from the people here. So I'm very happy. I have wished, congratulations to all the officers here. Those are working very hard. And then under Sbm Jjm, we need to push a little more with regard to solid liquid waste management. So therefore, we have decided today's meeting that all the district officers, those are working in the ground, they'll be working very hard with the guidance from Deputy Commissioner. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.